Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 XL in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.3 liter engine. It's flex fuel. It's also a 4x4, and it has a spray-in bed liner as well as vinyl flooring and that headache rack. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as manual windows, locks, and your driver's seat is manually adjusted as well. And we put on these nice seat covers to keep everything nice and clean. You have your electronic parking brake, lighting controls. There's a grab handle, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls. And then when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. And there's a menu you can toggle through. So you have trip 1. Oops. It's letting you know any important messages, like your door is open. Trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode on the end. When you press it, you'll see normal, tow haul, sport, and then back around again. In the center, you've got a little cubby up top to put items, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and then your senior media located there. It's got the menu that you can go through, as well as your radio. You're also seeing the time, and so right now there's the FM, AM, FM, and below that is your volume and tuner, and then your climate control, and you have your AC and max AC, as well as your front defrost. Down below you're seeing auxiliary line in and 12 volt. There's another little cubby off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, and another place to put items. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and again the covers go over that as well, so it keeps everything nice and clean. And then you can lift up underneath, more storage. You can flip out those cup holders. You've got the vinyl flooring, and you've also got the WeatherTech all-weather mats on the floor. There is a locking glove compartment, and you also have your 12 volt located there. Manually dimming rear view mirror, and your lighting controls are up top. There's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just below that handle. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see that in your center console. And you also have a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready, you just put your hand in the latch, bring it down, and you now have access to the back box area. It's nicely aligned with a spray-in liner, and you're seeing that headache rack. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, and this door opens 170 degrees, so if you have bigger items to put in the back, this makes it very useful. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and it'll bring the seat right up. You have more room on the floor, and you're seeing that nice vinyl flooring, easy cleanup. You have a couple of cup holders in the center and a 12 volt. And then when you want to bring the seat back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. We have the seat covers on there again for keeping it clean. And on the back of the seat is slim pockets. Up above you have your lighting and hooks, and in the back access to a big window. Mud flaps, 6.5-foot box. Privacy glass in the back windows, manually adjusting mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.